Hello, in this video we are going to learn about the what are the different type of data pre-processing, because we require this one because when data not in a correct format, so very hard for it to process in very well manner. When data are in correct format, we can get the incorrect result when you go for the any analysis concept of the data mining. Then how we can solve this problem? We can solve this problem by using the concept of pre-processing. So what are the steps for data pre-processing? We can see here. First one is the data cleaning, means data are coming in this way. We have to apply some technique to clean the data so you can get the actual data where we can say there is the no missing values are there. Well, what is the example of data cleaning here? Suppose some data have no value there, some data have the some missing value. Suppose I give the example, I want to take the age of the every person whenever anybody want to open the account in Facebook. We can give, suppose someone saying that the some other qualification, middle name someone not providing. So this type of things are the example of your data missing, so we can properly clean it to before the analysis. After the cleaning, we can see that data integration means what? Suppose I want to do the analysis, means how many customer giving the correct feedback about the Amazon. So it may be possible that some from industry they can give the feedback, from the student side we can also give the feedback, from the employee we can also take the feedback. So here you can see that data comes from the different format by different organization. So we came this data into the this part. So we have to taking the data from the different organization and integrating all in a single location. So here data integration will be also required. We have cleaned the data, making clean format. We have integrate the data, bring all the data into the different location. One example is also of data integration is that student in the class coming from the different location but sit in a particular class where class is going on. So this is a one example of data integration. Data transformation, we can see here. Whenever you can get the data, we have to transform according to the your particular range of the your DBMS, particular range of the table, particular range of the your particular organization. How we can do it? Suppose we can think about that this is the data. If I ask you whatever data is that, because our computer understand only 0 and 1, so we have to convert all the things in form of the zeros and 1. Then how can do it? We have to transform the data actually in the form of 0 1. So suppose this is the data, so highest value is the 100. If I divide all things by the 100, it will become in form of the 0 and 1s there. Forget about the negative and positive. So third phase of the data pre-processing is that data transformation. So we have cleaned the data, we have integrate the data, we have to transfer the data according to the organization need. Sometimes we can also go for the reduction of the data. Suppose take this table example. In table this is 1000 rows are there and 5 attributes. Think about the suppose in case of the admission, when a student want to take the admission in the college, so they can provide the student ID, they can provide the student name, they can provide the father name, they can provide the marks of higher secondary, they can provide their phone number. But at the end what we remember suppose the student name, student ID, student name, and also the what is the phone number of student. Forget about the father name and the address of that one. Whenever I required we can take, but maximum time when you go for the student detail, we can go for the only these three things. One more example of data reduction is that at the time of the opening the bank account, what we can do that we can fill up the different type of information in the form, but when we want to use it, maximum remember the user ID and password or internet banking password for that, not all the things. So whatever I have discussed till now, you can see that the data in clean format, data in integrated format, data in transform format, and data also in form of the reduction. So in next video I am going to discuss about the what is the meaning of data cleaning, what is the meaning of data integration, and what is the meaning of data transformation, and what is the meaning of data reduction, and what are the techniques we can apply for that to reduce the data into the proper format. Thank you.